Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I am so happy to be sitting here and filming for you guys and sharing my top 10 Sephora VIB recommendations for the upcoming sale this weekend. I was actually away this past weekend in Boston and I completely forgot that they had the sale going on for the VIB Rouge. So I did miss out on that. We're having another sale this weekend. I'll list all the details down below. So if you guys are a beauty insider, you can use your 20% off at checkout in store or online. I'll link my code down. I'm gonna link the code that I received in the mail down below, but I'm pretty sure it's like VIB 20 or something like that. So if you guys want to see what my Sephora VIB sale recommendations are, just keep watching. Can we talk about like how good it is to get a sale on items that you really love? I mean, Sephora barely has sales. If they do, they're online and they're on kind of like older items. So this is a really exciting time of the year to pick up and stock up on all of your favorite goodies from Sephora. I'll share my top 10 recommendation for you guys. So just keep watching. So the first item that I want to share with you guys is a skincare item, and this one is from Lancome, and it is the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate Serum. I've raved about this serum multiple times on my channel. This is what the bottle looks like. Please excuse my nails. Honey, we're having a moment. So I would definitely suggest trying this out. It's going to be, I believe, 20% off. You can't beat that. I believe this size is in the 70s and the larger size is in the hundreds. So this is definitely a good time to take advantage of this serum or any kind of skincare product that is a little bit pricey. I would definitely say if you've been thinking about purchasing any skincare items, now is the time to take advantage and get that discount on good skincare. So next item, I'm so awkward. So next item I want to mention to you guys, I've also mentioned time and time again, this is by far my favorite primer of all time. I just cannot seem to ever put it down, and it's from the brand Guerlain, and it is the Laura Primer. It's a gel-based primer that provides not only hydration and hydration to the skin, but it also leaves your skin tacky, so that's going to be good for any makeup application. It's going to help your makeup adhere to your face a lot better. And overall, my skin just works really great with that primer. It doesn't break me out. My makeup lasts all day. It looks radiant. It looks so good. Like, this makeup has been on since 7 a.m. and it is now 8:18 p.m. So that goes to show how good the primer is at keeping your makeup on and really increasing the longevity of it, right? Yeah. So the next item I want to talk about is just a general category, and that's perfume. So as you know, perfume can be very, 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 very pricey, and I don't know about you guys, but I don't like spending that much money on perfume. I'd rather receive it as a gift, if I'm being honest. But if you guys have been in the market for a new perfume, or you guys have just been wanting to buy or repurchase a perfume that you love, but you haven't wanted to bite the bullet, now is such a great time to take advantage because of that sale. I did actually do a perfume collection not too long ago, so I'm going to insert that above and down below as well, so you guys can watch it and see what my favorite perfumes are at the moment. And that kind of is my recommendation of different perfumes to you guys. So yeah, I would definitely suggest picking up a perfume during this VIB sale. Now the next item that I want to talk about is a foundation, and it's my current favorite. Actually, I'm going to just mention both of them since I've been using both of them simultaneously. But the next items I want to talk about are foundations, and here I have the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation in the shade Valoris, I don't know. And then the next foundation that I love and I've been using nonstop over the past year is the YSL All Hours foundation, and this is in the shade BD35 Warm Caramel. This is a lighter shade and this is darker, so I mixed them together to get a custom shade. And I would just suggest finding a foundation or purchasing a foundation that works with your skin type and your skin needs. So for me, I'm combination, like I'm not very oily to be honest, but I can get oily around my T-zone. So I like to get a foundation or, you know, get foundations that work well together to give me like a semi-matte finish that is going to get like luminous throughout the day. So these two actually work really well together and give me that finish that I like. But I would definitely say pick up a foundation that you know works with your skin, works with your skin type, your texture, whatever the case may be. Buy something that's going to work for your skin. And if it's a little bit on the pricey side, now is the time to splurge and get that discount on it. So I would definitely suggest that. Next item, I'm kind of going through this a little bit fast just because I'm a little low on battery. But the next item I want to talk to you guys about is a setting powder, and it is from Hourglass. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube already and it's been talked about, but it is just the most perfect luminous setting powder. You can use this under your eyes, you can use this all over the face, which is what I do. I prefer using it more all over the face because it adds this luminous glow that just makes your skin look really healthy, fresh, and it doesn't emphasize pores. It just gives you like a nice blurring effect. It just makes you look flawless. So I definitely would suggest picking this up. Like I said, and like I'm going to say throughout this whole video, but this is a great time to pick up these items, especially those that are a little bit more on the pricey side because you are getting a good discount. So I would definitely suggest this. There's so many videos that you can check out on reviews, wear tests, but guys, trust me, this is so amazing and I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't like it. So check it out. But the next item I want to talk about is my toner. I've mentioned this on my channel before, but I use the Ole Henriksen Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I believe that's the correct term. I'll insert an image of the actual product right now, I guess. But this toner has been working for me for months. I think I'm on my like 4th bottle now. And it really helps with drying out blemishes. It helps with cleansing the skin. That's like the last step in my cleansing routine. So if I have any leftover makeup residue or just any impurities or anything on my skin, it helps cleanse the skin. And then after I'll go in with my skincare. And it just been working wonders for me since I first picked it up as recommendation from Desi Perkins. So thank you, Desi, for mentioning that product because it definitely has been a game changer in my skincare routine. So I would definitely suggest picking that up. And you can tell I'm passionate about these items because my hands are shaking left and right. Girl, get it together. It's from the brand Murad. And it is their exfoliating, I think it's called Skin Rescue. I'll insert an image right here so you guys can see. But this is the exfoliator I use about 3 times a week. I usually do it every other day or maybe 2 days in a row, depending on what my skin needs are at that time. But what I love most about this exfoliator is that it's really gentle on the skin and it's not abrasive to the point where it's irritating your skin and causing more of a problem. I don't want to say irritation, but it doesn't cause any irritation. It doesn't make you flare up or make your face super red or just look uncomfortable. It's just a nice, comfortable exfoliator that gets rid of everything you need it to get rid of, and it just doesn't do too much. So I would definitely suggest that if you have sensitive skin like I do, or if you have acne prone skin like I do, check it out. It really is a great product and I've been loving it for years now and I will keep on loving it. My moisturizer, and it's from the brand Belief. This is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. So there are 2 versions of this moisturizer. One is the moisturizing balm, I believe, and then there's the Aqua Bomb. So the one I use is the Aqua Bomb. But this is just like the most amazing hydrating moisturizer that doesn't get you oily, that doesn't like make your face look greasy. Like I have it under my makeup and I put a lot on today, and it doesn't make your skin look crazy or oily. You could apply your foundation on your makeup on top of it like within a few minutes. You don't have to wait for it to seep into your skin for like 10 minutes. So not only is, you know, like it just, your skin soaks it up, and it's so good. That's all I can say, guys. It's a really good moisturizer. If you have dry skin or sensitive skin, it's very gentle on the skin. And guys, you should pick it up. Once again, this is what the bottle looks like. So next item is also another powder, and it is from Too Faced. It is the Peach Perfect Setting Powder, and this is very different than the Hourglass Veil powder because this is mattifying. So I love using this under my eye, around my T-zone, on my chin, basically everywhere that my skin gets oily throughout the day. Just want to show you guys what the product looks like. Guys, okay, this stuff is amazing. It's not like that kind of like loose setting powder that feels like as soon as you apply it, your skin feels really dry. And I found that happened a lot with the Laura Mercier setting powder. It's like when I would apply it, my skin just felt like all the hydration was sucked out of it. With this, I don't find that it does that. It's extremely like thin and I guess finely milled, as many of us YouTubers like to say, but it's true. Like this stuff is extremely finely milled. It doesn't lay on top of your skin or look crusty. It wipes off beautifully. It just makes your skin look really flawless and keeps you matte throughout the day. So I definitely use this on my T-zone area, and then I'll use my veil powder on the perimeter of my skin, and those two powders together are amazing. So I would definitely say check them out. And it tastes like peach, so if it falls in your mouth, don't you worry, it's gonna taste good. Okay, so next item I want to talk about, or items, or category, I guess we could say category, is bronzers. And I have two here that I have been in love with recently. The first is from Marc Jacobs, and it is the Omega Bronze Coconut, the Omega Bronze Bronzer in 104 Fantastic. I don't know the correct term for this, but this is the bronzer. And as you can tell, I've already hit pan on it, and I'm kind of sad because I don't know if they made this permanent or not. Okay, good news, they do sell this still at Sephora. I think they might have actually made it permanent, but this is honestly like, if you don't want to bronze and then contour after, and you just want one product that does it all for you, give this a shot. It retails for $49, so you get 20%, if I'm correct, if it's actually 20% off. It's so creamy, velvety. It applies to the skin so nicely. Do I have it on today? No, I don't have it on today. I don't have it on today, but this is my like everyday bronzer, as you can tell, because I've already hit pan. But I really have been loving this. It's compact, it's sleek, it looks bougie because it is, but definitely check that out if you're in the market for a new bronzer. That bronzer does it all. It chisels, makes you look flawless. Now the next bronzer I want to talk about is from Becca. I picked this up maybe a month or two ago, and it is the Sunlit Bronzer in the shade Capri Coast. I think I saw Alexa Garza here on YouTube talk about it, and I take all of her recommendations seriously. She's so cute. Her and Michael and baby Julian, like, I'm so obsessed with their vlog channel, and I just can't get enough of them. But I do believe she was talking about this bronzer. I don't know if it was in this specific shade, but she did mention the Becca bronzer. And of course, I went ahead and picked it up. And I love this shade. I don't know if you can tell on camera, But it's like this beautiful, like first off, it's very like soft, silky, and just like a really comfortable, like a really smooth feeling. It feels really nice on your skin when you apply it. And the shade is perfect for my skin tone. And what I like about this is that it's buildable. So you can start off with a light layer, and depending on how much bronzer you want or how much bronzer you need, you can build it up. And it's not like where, you know, you swipe it on, it's like a ton of bronzer in your face. So it's very lightweight, buildable. The shade is perfect, and it has like a nice sheen to it. So it adds like luminosity to the skin. And I've been loving that. And that just about wraps up this video. It feels so good to record. I haven't recorded in like over a week, I want to say. Yeah. So I wasn't able to get my regular Sunday video out. I'm so sorry, guys. But I plan on getting my regular schedule back up and running soon. It's just been a busy week and a half. But nevertheless, I'm back, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recommendation style video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. Also subscribe. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. Like, you can hang out with me, and we could talk all things beauty and lifestyle. And yeah, once again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And if you have any recommendations or any products that you think might suit me, comment down below so we can have a conversation and share our recommendations with each other. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.